Type 699. I hope you guys are doing very well. A very good move by BTC. And in the last video, we already discussed about this move. Today, we are going to discuss about the BTC, its new ranges, targets, and support and resistances. And also, we'll check the inflows regarding liquidity, where are we heading, and without wasting time, I want to keep this video short and precise so that uh, you can take your next move and let's discuss it. Let's us open the. You can see that now there are resistance at 117 to 119. We discussed about this resistance in the last day. Now the new BTC range, if you see BTC made a higher high, this is a very good sign for BTC. Now, if the BTC candle closes daily candle, let me open the daily chart. Let me open the daily candle chart. Here we go. Now the current scenario is like this. BTC, if the daily candle flows about above this resistance line, in that scenario, we are going towards the next target, that is 119 to 120. Now we'll face slight resistance at this level, but in the longer run, in the coming days, we are going to see all-time highs for the price of BTC, and obviously other crypto market will follow the BTC. Now, if we see the inflows of BTC, you can see there are a lot of inflows again, around about $500 million in one single day. And this is a very good ending for the month. Now we are heading towards the new month of October, and most of the time, October is also called as Uptober for crypto. If we see Ethereum inflows, then you see that Ethereum inflows are also positive. But right now, BTC is gaining the lead. Let's see the BTC dominance. What's happening there? Okay, BTC dominance is just pulling back. That's a good sign for alt market. Okay, now let's see the Ethereum and its ranges. We will delete this. Okay, Ethereum is heading towards this resistance, that is around 4373 to 4500 approximately. This is a very good candle for Ethereum. And if you see the liquidity chart for Ethereum and BTC, you will see there is a lot of liquidity building on the downside, but in the bull run, most of the time, the price tends to move and leave the liquidity behind while continuing the move. No, so without wasting time, let's see what liquidity is telling us. As you can see, within 3 days, there is lots of liquidity building downside at 40.73, and there is a small liquidity level at 42.58. But interesting thing is that lot of liquidity is also building on the upside of the price. If we see BTC on the 3-day time frame, you will see clearly that here the market sentiment was bearish. There were a lot of bears in the market who shorted the market, and bears are wrecked due to this move. Obviously, I told you many times before that prices, liquidity act as a magnet for the prices. So in this scenario, again, we see that still there is lot of liquidity below at 108 to 73, and around about that 107 level, we also have the the CME gap. This gap will be filled, if not today, tomorrow, next week, maybe in the middle of the month, but this gap will be filled one day. So I'm looking again into this gap, but right now the market is very bullish. The sentiment is bullish now. Inflows are positive. So in this market, it's not good to short this type of market when the price is trying to make an again and again higher highs. In that scenario, you cannot short the market. Uh, we will see, we will monitor the daily close of BTC and Ethereum. And if there is any retrace, we will take some trade, take some position into the long trade. Now, there's one thing more I want to discuss. You see, this is the simple trend line, but the prices are showing that this trend line is acting as a resistance for the price of BTC right now. If we open this in 4 hour time frame, we see the price of BTC hit this resistance level. Let's make it red so that we know that this is acting as a resistance. So now this is acting as a resistance, but still we are in this region, in this level of 117 to 119. So we are heading towards next region, that is 123 to 124. So these are the ranges. We have to look at the ranges, and what we do in the crypto or any trading scenarios, we make the scenarios, and if that plays, we try to make some positions out of that. So whenever the move come, you are already into that move. Now, as I already told you at this level that there's most of the chances our prices are going to go towards higher level, because the indications are also saying this, but there is a CME gap, and I'm worried about that. Thanks that it does not play, but if it plays, obviously I'm going to increase my BTC long position. Now, I want to tell you one thing more about Solana. Solana is is performing very good. Obviously, in the 4 hour time frame, if we see the moving averages, you will see that Solana price is moving above for 200 days moving average. That is a very good sign for Solana, very positive sign, and we are heading towards the resistance of this level, that is on 224, and above that there is a lot of resistance as 230. But if the BTC price continues, obviously Ethereum and Solana and other altcoin will follow them. This is all for today. I hope you like this video. We are looking into the inflows of today, 1st October. Obviously, this is the new month, new candles, and monthly close is very good for all the assets. Everything is showing that bullish moments for the prices. Every asset is very bullish right now, and we are expecting higher highs, and we are looking for the all-time highs for Ethereum, and we are looking all-time highs for BTC. Thanks for watching.